Got it here, cold steel, extra large, 7.5 inches folding knife. This thing is insane, check this out. I have big hands, that thing makes my hand look small. So, I don't know, is it a knife or machete? You could actually use it like a mini sword or folding machete. Check out this handle, you can grip it this way or you can grip it this way for smaller jobs. If you need to chop through the woods, you can grab it and hold it like that even. That is huge, don't you guys think? I don't even know how to film it. I almost have to back it up because it's so big. So yeah, there's a back lock over here. You want to open it and close it carefully. Look at that, cold steel. You actually have like a pocket clip. That's insane. I wonder if it will fit my pocket. We'll try it out. So there is actually like a thumb opener to where you kind of can open it with one hand, and that thing is insane. Check this out. Wow, I'm gonna back up my camera and let's open it with one hand. Is it even possible? Nope, not so much. So you kind of want to open it like that. That's crazy, just so big. This is quite funny in a sense, like more like a, not so much pocket knife. I think this is more like folding machete. Obviously you cannot conceal it because it's longer than 4 inches, so you kind of have to do it, I guess, the open carry. Interesting. But if you're in the woods, it's not a big deal, because in my opinion this is like a folding machete. Since you cannot conceal it, you probably will have to put it onto your pocket, hanging it off like that. It will fit my pockets, especially this kind, pretty good, but I don't think it's supposed to be concealed because it's just so big. Check this out. That's a conceal and folding machete. So if anything, you gotta open carry those. So I guess you could do so by just putting it like that. You see it? Probably on a belt buckle. Boom. And you can walk around on a belt buckle, hiking, no problem. It's a nice clip. You see it? It's all the way through. So whenever you take it out, you need a machete. You grab it, go to the woods. Interesting. What do you guys think? I think it's more like of a collector piece or hiking. So yeah, definitely the biggest knife I ever put to the test, or one of them, that's for sure. By the way guys, look at the detail. It's such a nice finish. There's a lock, there's in the bottom of it, and whenever you want to close it, just press it. You gotta press it hard. So beautiful. It's a good looking knife, that's for sure.